Hi class, what I'm going to be doing today is taking you through a tutorial on how to use an online citation maker so that you can create your MLA styled bibliography. And since we've been doing research, I felt like this particular tool would be very important for you because it will help you to set your bibliography up so that it is done correctly. Within the online citation maker that we're going to use, you can use it from home, you can store your citations, so you'll be able to do a lot of things. And what you're going to need to do to get started is navigate to mybib or www.bibme.org. There are lots of citation makers out there online that you can use, but I chose bibme.org because it is free for everyone to use. So the first thing you're going to want to do is register, and the registration process is pretty simple. Just go in, add your information, and then your email address. And I'm going to suggest that you use your school email address, but you're more than welcome to use whichever email address you might want to use. It's going to ask you for your age, and then it's going to ask you to choose what best describes you. And I am going to check teacher/professor, but for you all, you would check student. Then you're going to create a secret password. Select something that's going to be easy for you to remember so that you're not having to register again each time you use it. Then you're going to determine whether you are over 13 years of age, which most of you should be. Then you're going to click on the privacy policy. You're going to need to read the privacy policy. It's very simple here. They're going to record this information about you, your operating system, what web browser you're using, your IP address, your name, your email address, and a couple of other things. So you want to read over that, and when you're finished reading over that, you could exit out, and then you can check that you agree, and then click on register. And it's as simple as that. So now you have an account with bibme.org, and you'll see it says thanks for signing up, and then you can begin to create your very own bibliography. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take you into how to create a bibliography for a book. So it says here autofill mode or manual entry mode. You can do either one of those. What I'm going to do is I've got a book here, and what I'm going to do is just enter the ISBN number. You can find the ISBN number on the back of whichever book it is that you're using. And you want to put the ISBN number in just like it is on the back of the book so that it'll read the book correctly. And then click Find the Book. See, if you put the ISBN number correctly, then the book that you're looking at should come up, and then you can click on Select. So, what are you citing? Are you citing the entire book? Are you citing just the book title, the publisher? All of that information is already there for you. Are you citing an edition? And you'll need to determine if your book has more than one edition. So if you're just citing the entire book, then you'll leave entire book checked. If not, then you go to a chapter from the book, scroll down and make sure all the information is correct about the author, first name, and the last name. If you need to add an annotation, you can add an annotation. And then if not, then you are going to click on Add to My Bibliography. And you'll see it's working. Over here is where your bibliography is. Jim Burke, Tools for Thought, Graphic Organizers for Your Classroom, Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Heinemann is the publisher, the date, and then it says to print. Now, let's do a website very quickly because most of you are going to be using websites to do your research. So let's do a website. And what I've done, it says HTTP there, and you can leave that there or you can just erase it. What I've done is I've already bookmarked a website, and I bookmarked this website on the Scottsboro trials because that is something that we're studying in class. And you can just copy and paste the web address into there. And then you'll see everything comes up. The title of the page, the website title, and you can see this is a website that was created by a school of law, it is there. If you need the sponsor, the publisher, the version number, all of that information will come up if they can access it. Who is the author? And if you don't know the author right offhand, you're going to need to go back to the website, and you'll see here this is Douglas O. Linder. So you're going to want to go back and add that information into your citation maker. Linder. And then just click. If it only has one author, then you'll leave it there. If you need to add another author, you can see you can do that there. And then the last thing you're going to do is click Add to My Bibliography. And there you have your website citation. Now, we don't want to necessarily start another bibliography, but what I might want to do is format it so it's MLA, because MLA is what we use in high school. So MLA, and then I'm going to click Download, and it is going to create a Word document for me with my bibliography. Now, I'll click here, and you'll see here is my bibliography, or my works cited page. It's got Jim Burke, Tools for Thought. It's got Douglas Linder, which is the website that I got it from. And then it also says MLA formatting by bibme.org. What you're going to want to do from there is take this, and I would copy and paste again, open up Microsoft Word, and then paste it here as well. And there you have your MLA formatted bibliography. So when you're finished in Microsoft Word, you can minimize all of this, or you can exit out. It's up to you. And then click on Save to Your Account. You want to make sure that you save to your account, because if you save to your account, then you will be able to come back to any bibliographies that you have created. You can also title your bibliography according to whatever it is that you're working on. You can send your bibliography to friends. You can even send it to me in an email so that I am able to check it out. And before I finish, I just want to show you, if you'll look up here, there is an option for every possible source that you might need to cite. A book, a magazine, a newspaper, a website, a journal, a film, and then you can click on Other, and there might be some other things there for you.